Good afternoon, ma'am. Thank you for accepting for this interview. So, I have 5 questions for this interview, ma'am. So, first is, how do you spend your spare time? So, ginaunsa nimo pag-spend imong free time?
I spend my free time here sa balay, like doing my hobbies, in, like watching movies, playing online games.
Okay. And next is, what motivates you?
It motivates me, ano, sa akong pamilya.
Okay. And what are your priorities in life?
My priorities in life is just para makauman ng eskwela, tas makatrabaho, and then to pay back inside na buhat sa akong pamilya.
Mm. And how do you handle stress?
Ma-handle na ako ang stress by like going into sa sapa, tapos mamino sa tubig.
And last one is, what makes you happy?
Mas malipay ko around my family and then friends na tapos when it comes financial, mas ganahan jud pud ko nga na ko kwarta. Mapait na akong gusto.
Thank you for response